Let's be honest, studying sucks. But what if you could make AI do most of it for you? From taking notes to writing essays to even reading your textbooks. Yeah, AI's got you covered. So today we're checking out 10 AI tools that'll help you study smarter, not harder. And if you're new here, this is Digital Lazy, where we make tech do the hard work so you don't have to. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you can get more lazy hacks.
1. Notion AI, the all-in-one student brain. Let's start with Notion AI. It's like a digital second brain that organizes your chaos. You can dump lecture notes, screenshots, and even random thoughts into it, and Notion AI will clean it all up into tidy pages that actually make sense. It can summarize classes, turn bullet points into full paragraphs, or even generate study guides from your notes. If your desk and your brain are equally messy, Notion AI is basically your academic therapist.
Next up is Perplexity AI, the smart search engine that makes Google look like it's from 2005. Instead of wasting hours clicking through random sites, Perplexity gives you direct answers with verified citations from real academic sources. You can ask it complex questions, get instant summaries, and even dive deeper with related questions, like a built-in research partner. It's like having ChatGPT, Wikipedia, and your university librarian all rolled into one, minus the shushing.
Now this one's a lifesaver, Scholarcy. Got a 40-page research paper due tomorrow? Just upload it and Scholarcy breaks it down into short summaries, highlights key points, and even extracts references. It's perfect for when you want to sound like you've read everything without actually reading anything. Basically, it's the reason you'll survive group discussions without falling asleep mid-sentence.
If you've ever stared at a blank Word document for 30 minutes thinking, I'll start in 5 more minutes, you need Jenni AI. This tool helps you write essays that sound human, not robotic. You just feed it your topic, set the tone, academic, casual, persuasive, and Jenni starts writing with citations as you go. It even gives you suggestions and real-time rewrites, so you can finish essays faster than you can say deadline extension. 5. Quillbot, the ultimate paraphrasing hack. Quillbot is the hero every lazy student secretly relies on. When you've borrowed a few sentences from the internet, Quillbot paraphrases them in seconds, making them sound fresh, original, and plagiarism-free. It's perfect for essays, discussion posts, and rewording lecture notes so you don't sound like a robot. Think of it as your online translator, from copy-paste to I totally wrote this myself. 6. Audiopen. Talk, don't type. Typing is overrated, especially when you can just talk. Audiopen listens to your voice notes, messy, half-asleep, caffeine-fueled rants included, and turns them into clear, structured writing. You can use it for brainstorming, quick ideas, or even rewriting your entire assignment draft. If you're the kind of student who thinks faster than they type, this app will feel like mind reading. This next one's a legend, Wolframalpha. Forget calculators, this thing explains everything. You can feed it complex math equations, physics problems, or chemical formulas, and it'll give you step-by-step answers that actually make sense. It's perfect for STEM students, or honestly, anyone who still breaks into a sweat when they see the word algebra. 8. Explainpaper, turning confusion into clarity. You know that feeling when you read an academic paper and realize you've understood nothing after 3 pages? Explainpaper fixes that. You upload any confusing paragraph, and it explains it in plain English, like a friendly professor who doesn't talk in riddles. It's a total game changer for research, essays, and decoding whatever academic language your lecturer just invented.
9. Zotero and Citation Machine. No more citation nightmares. Let's talk about citations, everyone's least favorite part of writing. Zotero automatically saves and organizes all your references while you research, and Citation Machine formats them perfectly in APA, MLA, or any other style your professor dreams up. No more guessing where commas or italics go. It's like having a mini assistant dedicated to saving you from citation chaos. because losing marks over a missing period should be illegal.
And finally, the king of them all, ChatGPT. But here's the 2025 upgrade, custom GPTs. You can build your own AI tutor that focuses on your subjects, like a physics GPT, essay coach GPT, or even a study flashcard GPT. It can quiz you, summarize textbooks, and explain anything in your preferred style, whether that's serious academic or explain it like I'm 5. It's like having your own private tutor, minus the awkward small talk.
So yeah, studying doesn't have to feel like suffering. With these tools, you can finally focus on what really matters, like taking study breaks that last all day. If you liked this one, drop a lazy thumbs up, subscribe, and keep it locked on Digital Lazy, where we make life easier one AI tool at a time.